Hello my dear students, welcome back to the day of your English classes. Hope that all the students of the 7th standard are doing well and you are well at home. Hope that your parents are also doing well, and I have all the wishes for you, and study well and do your homework and collaborate with the school. Today we are going to have the grammar part from your page number 9. Maybe the page number is different. The first part is degrees of comparison. So students, you might have already studied about degrees of comparison the last year or some years back. But look at it, it is very simple concept. It is very easy to learn. Don't worry about it that you do not know, you don't understand these things. So let us look at the board. There are three kinds of comparisons. There are three kinds. They are positive, comparative, and superlative. Positive, comparative, and superlative. Please look at the board here now. Three words I have written: big, bigger, and biggest. So here, big, you will see a picture also here. It is big. Then another one, bigger. It is bigger than this one, the first picture here. Then the third one is biggest. This is biggest than this, bigger and big. So now let us look at the board again. So what's the difference? When there are two things, we use big and bigger. And when there are more than two, we use the word biggest also. So comparison between two things, we use positive and comparative. When there are more than two, we use superlative. Okay, very clear? Now let us, doing the exercises, we will be learning it. And also read the text there, what is introduction given there. It is always quiet in the country. Sometimes it is quieter than today. My grandfather says that our village is the quietest among all the villages in our district. The underlined words are adjectives, but these are in different degrees of comparison. The first one is in positive degree, the second and the third are in comparative and superlative degrees respectively. They are quiet, quieter, quietest. Quiet, quieter, quietest. So we have lot of examples like that I have written here now. Big, bigger, biggest. Tall, taller, tallest. Short, shorter, shortest. So please remember some of the words like that. Slow, slower, slowest. Cold, colder, coldest. No? See, listen these words like that. Please please write down some more words in your book so that you will be understanding. Now we are going to do the exercise here, and you will be understanding it better. Okay? Now let us do the exercise. Here is a list of adjectives. Write the other degrees of them. The first one is done for you. There is something for us to note. Usually short words take ER and EST as suffixes to form other degrees. So it is very simple. By doing the exercise, you will be learning it better. There are three degrees: positive degree, comparative degree, and superlative degree. Positive degree is here, dark. Comparative degree, darker. Superlative degree, darkest. So the next one, small, smaller, smallest. See the pronunciation, it is not smallest, but it is smallest. Okay, though it is written SMA, It is to be pronounced smallest. Then rich, richer, richest. Next safe, safer, safest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. Please notice that in cleverer, that cleverer er is added after the complete word, not cutting anything. So please note that. Then the next one is taller, taller, tall, taller, tallest. And the last one there, bright, brighter, brightest. Please write down all these words, and also now itself you can by heart it. After by hearting it, you can go to the rest of the class. So please pause for a moment and just learn it. It is very simple sentence, simple words which you have already studied last year or in the previous years. So please learn them. Now the next page you have some exercises on page number 10. That is your homework. You may please do that at your home. Please look at here. You have seen here, no? Place here. And words with 2 or more than 2 syllables take more and most respectively comparative degree and superlative degree. Now this part you are going to do alone. It's very easy and simple. Just adding more and most, you will have the comparative and the superlative degrees. Please look at there. First word is useful. Adding to useful, more useful, you have the comparative degree. Then most useful is superlative degree. Similarly, you have other words. So this is your homework now. Just pause for a moment and correct them in your book and write down there like more beautiful, most beautiful, more interested, most interested. All those words up to cheerful, please write down. Then only you need to go to the next part. Please pause the video and write down everything, okay? I will read the words for you to pronounce well. Useful, beautiful, interested, doubtful, precious, delicious, dreadful, and cheerful. Can you see them? Yeah. Next we have now words, examples of words with a complete change in other degrees. The examples we have, positive degree, for example, much, more, most. Let us read it once again, looking at the book and also writing down there the words for a comparative and superlative degree. So the difference there, good, better, best, bad, worse, worst, 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 far, further, farthest. Okay, did you write? Those who are not written, please pause the video and write and learn them now itself. Hello, now come back to the next part, that is the use of may and can. Interesting. It is very important that we learn it, the difference, and you also use these words often in your conversation. When you use these words in your conversation, it becomes more polite. Suppose you can say some of the words like this, no, come in, go out, like that. But when you ask this using these two words, may or can, it gives another impact or another a special effect to the conversation. So it is very important that you may learn them by heart now itself. So the use of may, it is with examples you will understand the meaning. I am not going to give the exact meaning in a Telugu or another language, but by the example you will be learning it. Okay? May is used to give or take permission in a formal way. Let us say, may I come in, sir? A student is asking the teacher inside the class. Or it may ask the teacher, no, may I go out, sir? Okay, these are examples. Then this may is also used to express a possibility. Possibility. He may come. There's a possibility. It may rain. No, it may rain. I may not come. I may not come. These are all possibilities. So with more examples you will be learning this. Okay. So this is important thing. Most important thing here you must learn. That is the may. That the may is used formal way of use. Then can is used to give or take permission in an informal way. What way? Informal way. Informal. So, can I come in, sir? Can I come in? That is no, that was respect, or that is not formal. Can also, that is not a wrong way of asking, but it is better to ask using what may, no, in that way, no. So we are not going to deal everything about can and may now. Only just two important things we are learning. Actually, three things we are learning about: may, can, and may and can. We are only learning only three things about may and can now. Okay, did you understand? Now let us come back to the exercises here. Please look at the book, page number 10, according to my book. Please, I hope that you have the same page here, and we have done here, and we have the exercise here given here. Now, we are going to do that very fast. Look at your book now. Look at the first exercise there. May I come in, sir? So that is, the answer is B, taking permission. So we said may is used for formal occasions. This is a formal use. If it is informal, people may use can. In that case, it can be, can I come in? Now the next one, Sindhu may come to India next month. The answer is C, that is expressing possibility, expressing a possibility. Then 3, you may use my cell phone if you need. The answer is A, that is giving permission. That is official, no? Something official. Then, 4th one, can I take leave of you? The answer is B, taking permission in an informal way. Then, 5, the dog may attack you if you run. The answer is C, that is expressing possibility. The dog may attack you if you run. That's a possibility. Did you write all the 5 and underline and also write down there and also learn those sentences now itself? No? Can I take leave of you? The dog may attack you if you run. Sindhu may come to India next month. Please learn them. Okay, my dear students, now we can come back to the next part. That's in page number 11. Yeah, rewrite the following sentences as directed. The boy seems to cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. Expresses this using may. The boy may cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. See, it is a use of a possibility. There is a possibility, may cry. So, similar to that, you are going to do other exercises. Now, other exercises. Please write down. Looking at the video. Pause the video and write. Okay. Let us rewrite the sentences below. First one is already done. The boy seems to cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. Express this using may. The answer is the boy may cry if you do not buy an ice cream for him. Then the next one, you can use my camera if you need. That is giving permission using may. You may use my camera if you need. Next one, he seems to be a nice man. Expresses the possibility of using may. He may be a nice man. Fourth one, you want to leave the class now. Take permission using may. The answer is, may I leave the class now? Raju wants to use your water bottle. Give permission using may. You may use the water bottle if you need. Could you write? Now we have the next part here in the page number 11. Here, read the following sentences from your lesson. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach. The above sentence expresses unreal past. We use wish plus, there is a wish, then subject and past tense to express unreal past. Something did not happen, but the person had the wish, desire, but that did not take place. That is called unreal past. Something past, already past, no, that is past. So unreal past, that did not take place. This sentence means, I am sorry there is no air-conditioned coach. So I have written here what's an unreal past with the use of this using this textbook here. Unreal past. I wish there was an air-conditioned coach. No. So here is a wish. I wish there was an air-conditioned. So here is a wish. And subject and past tense. Something happened in the past tense. No, was. This is past tense. Okay. So similar sentences when we are going to the examples here and the exercise you are doing, you will be understanding. Just read one sentence there. Sindhu has missed her school bus. She has to go to the school urgently. She wishes to have a car. How would Sindhu express her wish? So the simple answer is, I wish I had a car. Actually, she has no car, but she wishes, I wish I had a car. Did you understand? So let us write down the things there with attention and pausing the video. Okay. Now let us see the exercises. Now express the wishes of the people mentioned below using unreal past, that is wish, subject and past tense, as we had explained already. The first one is already done there and the rest will be doing together. Okay, could you read now? Please read them. Sindhu has missed her school bus. She has to go to school urgently. See, listen the word there, urgently. She wishes to have a car. How would Sindhu express her wish? See the word, the her, that is her. Wish. I wish I had a car. That's answer. So the second one, Anita wants to abolish the system of exams. She wants to be the Prime Minister. How would Anita express her wish? So the answer is, I wish I was the Prime Minister. So usually this word is used I were, no? So you can use in two ways. The most used word is like this, I wish I were. No, I wish I were the Prime Minister. Okay, then the next one, Srinu's father has a car. He wishes to drive the car, but he doesn't know how to drive the car. How would Srinu expresses his wish? So answer is, I wish my father, there is a bar, no, that is called or, I knew how to drive a car. Okay, please write down. Then Sharmila wants to play tennis, but she doesn't have a tennis racket. How would Sharmila expresses her wish? I wish I had a tennis racket. You know what is tennis racket, no? Yes. Mahendra wants to get first rank in the class, but he cannot. How would Mahendra express his wish? I wish I got first rank in the class. So these are the answers. Please write down. Pausing the video, please write down them. Okay. Alright students, today's class is over and you may do the exercises at your home at the earliest and also learn this. Learn them. So first part we dealt what? Comparison. Three kinds of comparisons. Positive, comparative and what? Then superlative. Okay. Then the next part we also learned what's uses of may and can. I may come. That's a possibility we said. May I come in, sir? That is what? That is an official or formal way of asking permission. Or you may say, may I go out? That's an official or formal way of asking permission, getting permission, take permission. Okay. Then use of can. Can, here we just mentioned only one thing. That is informal way of taking and giving permission. So simple things, please learn them. And also we said about the unreal past. Unreal past, there are three things. Wish, a wish is there. Then subject is there. and also past tense. It is used in the past tense. I wish I were. And the thing that did not happen, but the wish of the person expressing. So only three things, simple things. Please learn them. Don't waste your time. Respect your parents and also take care of your health. Okay, thank you.